Are you eager to start your vegetable garden, but worried about the long wait for harvest? In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 9 fast-growing vegetables that you can plant and enjoy in no time. These veggies are not only quick to grow, but also nutritious and delicious. So watch till the end to discover the secrets to their rapid growth and tips for a successful harvest. Number 9. Microgreens. While not technically vegetables, microgreens are the young seedlings of various vegetables like radishes, broccoli, and peas, harvested when they're just a few inches tall. Microgreens are incredibly fast-growing, typically ready for harvest in 7 to 14 days, depending on the variety. Despite their small size, microgreens are packed with flavor and nutrients, making them a popular choice for garnishing salads, soups, sandwiches, and more. Number 8. Radish sprouts. Radish sprouts are the young seedlings of radish plants and can be ready for harvest in just 3 to 4 days. These tender, flavorful sprouts add a spicy kick to salads, sandwiches, and wraps, making them a popular choice for home gardeners. They're incredibly easy to grow, requiring minimal space and equipment. Simply sow the seeds in a shallow tray of soil, keep them moist, and within a few days, you'll have a harvest of fresh, homegrown radish sprouts to enjoy. Number 7. Bok choy. Bok choy, a staple in Asian cuisine, is a fast-growing vegetable that typically matures in about 30 to 45 days, depending on the variety. With its tender, succulent stems and mild, slightly sweet flavor, bok choy is perfect for stir-fries, soups, and noodle dishes. It's also incredibly easy to grow, thriving in fertile, well-draining soil and partial shade. Plus, bok choy is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, making it a nutritious addition to any meal. Number 6. Kale. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse that can be harvested relatively quickly, with baby kale leaves ready in around 30 days. This leafy green is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a popular choice for health-conscious consumers. Kale comes in various varieties from curly to lacinato, each offering its unique flavor and texture. Whether enjoyed raw in salads or cooked in soups, stews, and stir-fries, kale is a versatile and resilient crop that deserves a spot in any vegetable garden. Number 5. Arugula. Arugula, also known as rocket, is a fast-growing salad green that can be ready for harvest in just 20 to 30 days. Known for its peppery flavor and tender leaves, arugula adds a zesty kick to salads, sandwiches, and pizzas. It's incredibly easy to grow, tolerating a wide range of growing conditions and thriving in both garden beds and containers. Plus, arugula is a cut-and-come-again crop, meaning you can harvest the outer leaves and allow the plant to continue growing for multiple harvests throughout the season. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-rich green that matures relatively quickly, with baby spinach leaves ready for harvest in about 30 days. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a valuable addition to any diet. Spinach can be enjoyed raw in salads or cooked in a variety of dishes, from sautés and soups to quiches and pasta dishes. It's also a cool season crop, thriving in the early spring and fall months when temperatures are mild. Number 3. Lettuce. Lettuce, especially leaf lettuce varieties like red leaf, green leaf, and oak leaf, is renowned for its quick growth, with some types ready to harvest in as little as 30 days. These loose leaf lettuces are ideal for salads, sandwiches, and wraps, offering a range of colors, textures, and flavors to suit any palate. They're also well suited to container gardening, making them perfect for urban or small space gardeners. Number 2. Green onions. Green onions, also known as scallions, are another fast-growing favorite, typically ready for harvest in about 20 to 30 days. One of the great things about green onions is that you can harvest them at any stage, from slender shoots to fully formed bulbs, depending on your preference. They're incredibly easy to grow, requiring minimal space and care. Plus, as you harvest them, they'll continue to regrow, providing a constant supply of fresh onions for your culinary creations. Number 1. Radishes. Radishes are one of the quickest growing vegetables, ready for harvest in just 25 to 30 days. They're perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a fast turnaround in their garden. Radishes come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, from small red globes to long white daikon types. They're versatile in the kitchen, adding a crisp, peppery bite to salads, sandwiches, and even pickles. Plus, you can sow successive crops every few weeks throughout the growing season for a continuous harvest. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!